Okay, example 3. A long question. We have spinaches and kangkongs. So, how do we deal with this? Bundles of spinaches S has a mean 150 gram, standard deviation 10. Kangkong, mean 180, standard deviation 15, and are independent of each other. These are little notes that you can make, then later on when you define your problem, it becomes easier. Now we have 3 bundles of spinaches, 2 bundles of kangkong. Now we mix them together, find the probability that the average weight of 5 bundles of vegetables. I want to remind you again of your beef steak problem. Is it x1 plus x2 plus x3 or x20 or is it 20x? In this case, do you how many s do you have? S1 plus x2 plus s3 or is it 3s? 3s's. 2k or 2k or k1 plus k2? You must have k1 plus k2 because there are 2 bundles, 2 separate bundles. For one thing, it must be 3s, s1 plus s2 plus. Sorry, it must be s1 plus s2 plus s3. So let's be very clear. If V is the average weight of 5 bundles, then V, we should be able to write this down quite quickly. The average weight must be the first S plus the second S plus the third S plus K1 plus K2. Divide by 5. Correct? Average ma. So to find the expected value, you have to be a bit careful. It cannot be, don't think of average means take 150 plus 180 divided by 2. That's the biggest mistake you can make, okay? Let's be very diligent. Let's do it properly. Expected value of this, V must be expected value of this. We do it properly. What do I mean by properly? You have to recall this, right? Which we use time and again. We have to recall expected value of ax plus by equals to a expected x plus b expected value of y, right? So, for this case, what we can do is we can factorize the 1/5 out first, and then you get expected value of S1 plus expected value of S2 plus expected S3 plus expected value of K1 plus expected value of K2. Okay? No choice. Write it out first. Okay? Don't skip steps. Okay? For the first 5 questions of your tutorial, also don't skip steps. Just write it out. Alright? Then what is in expected value S1, expected value S2, expected value S3, they are all the same. They are same distribution. So, it must be 1/5. 3 times expected value of S plus 2 times expected value of K. Now then you substitute all the values in, you get 3 times 150 plus 2 times 180. Then you get 162, the magic number. Not bad. Now we know what is the expected value of V is 162. Now next, of course, you want to find probability, you know expected value, you must also know variance. Now variance, again, then we also have to recall variance of ax plus by equals to a square variance x plus b square variance y. Okay? So, what do? We factorize, not factorize, I cannot say factorize, because of the a square must be 1/5 to the power of square. Alright? Can it, because of the a square, then you say it is variance S1 plus variance S2 plus variance S3 plus variance K1 plus variance K2 and close bracket. Yeah. Then it must be 1/5 square 3 times variance S plus 2 times variance K. Don't be lazy, must write. Or it only takes a few less than 1 minute round is okay. Get it properly done, then you get your nice answer here. Alright? They get 30. Variance Y V is 30. They get this. Now you want probability that what happened over there? What's your problem? Right, I grew okay. Okay, average is less than 160. What happened? Cockroach. I thought dinosaur. Okay. Come, somebody will step on it. Come on. Go, yes. Kill it. Oh. Whoa, should have taken that down. Okay. Hey, don't let cockroach disturb us. Finish already. Say bye-bye to him. Oh, you're interesting. Cockroach. Okay, done. Just key to a DC, done. Copy. Once you know me and send variance, done. Okay. Next part. Part 2. Okay, have attention. This proves to be quite difficult for some of us. Part 2, reading the question is important. The average of 3 bundles is less than average of 2 kangkong bundles by less than 20. Wow. Problem. Some of us are very, very scared of this kind of problem. Or either very scared or every time you do 10, 8 out of 10 always get wrong. But actually it's not that bad. You think, okay. Now think carefully. The average of 3 is less than average of 2. So which one is heavier? Spinach or kangkong? Which one do you want to be heavier? Kangkong to be heavier. So what we want to do is we don't copy it. I just want to give an overview of the problem. You want kangkong to be heavier, so I let average of a kangkong minus average weight of. Like I want this, right? This one is the difference between kangkong and spinach, and obviously I want kangkong to be heavier. Right? I want this difference to be less than 20. I actually want probability this less than 20. Let's give ourselves this overview first. We actually want to find this. I actually want to find this. Correct, I want to find Hey, no idea. Hey, upload on YouTube Anyways. I want to find. Singaporeans right? It's not acronyms. I want to find. Okay, ready? We want to find this, okay? You know what? You know this is what we want to find. We want to know the distribution of this. Okay? What's the distribution? If K is a normal distribution, S is a normal distribution, this must be normally distributed. All we need to do is to find mean and variance of this thing. Follow? So we want to find. Okay, let's move down. We define properly. S is the average of 3, K is the average of 2,
What they are determined is
Okay, never mind, never mind. Quite lame, right? You all saw already. Okay, I tell you what. You write this on your own. You write. Okay. You write this box, and this box all by yourself. Can? 2 minutes. All by yourself. Okay, very quickly. S bar should have this. Oh, sorry. K bar should have this. Then what we want is, what's the mean? We get this. Once we know, need me to say a bit more or no need? Need or not? Do you know why? Yes, quite easy, right? Okay, done. Then after that, it's just GC work we're done. Okay, Ken? Questions? All good? Good, huh? Okay, let's do the very last part. Many of us again struggle with this type of question. Let's look here. Attention, please. Thank you. Many of us don't know how to solve this kind. Thank you. What is the probability of the total cost of 5 bundles exceed 270? You actually want to find probability that the total cost exceed 270. Again, you want to find this. Or you again want to find this, okay? Now, actually very stupid. I erased what I already wrote, then it's already recorded. But never mind. Our job is to find out what is the distribution of the cost. Correct? Which is C, we let it is. Many of us don't know how to write. But actually, you are totally capable of doing it. Because if you go to the market with your mother, and your mother give you this problem, give you weights of 3 bundles of spinach, weight of 2 bundles of kangkong, you can calculate the cost. You follow what I'm saying? You can calculate the cost. I give you concrete numbers, you can calculate. Now I tell you, spinach is a distribution, kangkong is a distribution, then you panic, you know how to calculate. Cannot be. So I teach you a trick. When you see a problem, if you are stuck, never mind. Let us assume that if I have one spinach, say it is 110 grams. Another is 120. Another is 130. Then kangkong is 180. Kangkong 2 is 190. Grams all grams because just now we talked about grams you want to copy, don't copy, never mind this thing doesn't matter. Then actually what is the cost? Don't give me the number yet. I want you to know how to calculate. You know or don't know? Actually, you know. It is just 110, correct? plus 120 plus 130. This is the total weight, correct? Divide by 100 because it costs 30 cents per 100 gram. So I divide by 100 grams first, then I times 0.3. Correct? Cost is in dollars. Don't tell me you don't understand. Cannot be. Correct? You go to the market, you can, right? You can do it, right? Maybe you need GC to help you. Or scientific calculator, or your handphone. Then plus what? 180 plus 190 over 100 times 0.35. So, if you are able to write with numbers, then you just replace the numbers with S1, S2, S3, and K1, K2. Done. Yes. So, solution. Isn't this obvious? Isn't it obvious? Right? Quite obvious, huh? Or you can do with numbers, and I'm sure you can do this. So, simple trick, if you are stuck, you're not very sure, then try substituting numbers. It should. Then what is the expected value of C? This one, just copy again. Okay? Quite easy. Just using this same principle. Just remember this same thing. We're using this thing time and again. So just copy. And then, what is this? Nothing. And then variance also just copy. We are making use of this idea. Okay? Sorry. Is it okay? Can? Then the answer is just quite easy.
Oh, I don't think I need to say a lot because it's all about using this idea. Okay?
Good, we have 5 more minutes to do example 4.